Yes, I know you trace your name. You do a very good job. Okay, Juliana, I'm gonna come and pick you up, okay? Huh?
Kanina ko pa sinasabing ihahatid ko, ayaw.
Juliana, and mommy's gonna come pick you up, okay?
Ayan pa lang, school picture niya, ang ganda. I should have one.
Can I see? Oh, mommy really wants to see it in person.
Pick upin mo na lang.
Yeah, I'm gonna come over.
Kumain na naman yan eh, tsaka naligo na. Magtututbas na lang.
Come.
Hi, Mia and Kira! Oh, your mom is coming to pick you up, okay? But your mom wants you because she's leaving. She's leaving soon, and next week you're gonna stay with mama whole week. Yeah. Okay? Can I see? Can I see? Aray ko. Wow, let me see. Which one is your best friend? Who is your best friend there? Who is your best friend? Oh, what's her name? Allison? What's her name? Oh, that's her name is Allison. Do you have a male friend? A friend that's a boy? Do you have one? Sorry, I can focus it because it's privacy, yeah? It's invasion of privacy. Yeah. What's your teacher's name? How come you're not dancing while everybody's dancing earlier?
I'm tired.
Why do you have to scream? I'm talking to you nicely way. You don't need to scream.
Huh?
Let me see. Ang ganda naman ng smile, ah. Oh. I think if I fix your hair, gonna be look more better. A lot more better.
That's me right there.
I know.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Same shirt. All it's the same shirt, Mama.
Yeah, it's the same.
Same shirt. Look at the well because it's done. Whoa. More of me.
Yeah. It's nice.
Do I have one?
Okay, get ready. Your mom is coming, okay?
Hmm.
Need to put on your coat.
Look.
Ang
There's a
dami,
bunch
ah.
of me.
Ang dami ng picture niyan. Pamamalik natin ang
That
munggo.
was so pretty.
I'll trade it in for candy, ha?
Kenny?
In the street. I'll trade it in for candy.
You
Or for
can
munggo.
trade. We
Yeah.
can do. We can show everybody.
Yeah, you should trade in some to your classmate, okay?
With me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna trade.
That's what you
this
have to
one
do. And then get your
I'm
classmate's
gonna trade
picture.
that one too.
Mm.
Um,